Hey Data Champions, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make money here on Tartle. I'm your host, Matthew Smith, so we'll go ahead and go to the Discover tab, go to the Health section, work our way down to Health Packet number 5, because number 5 is my favorite number. We'll click on that. What am I allergic to? I'm not allergic to anything.
Nice.
Go ahead and fill that out. One question, pretty easy. Each packet's going to vary on how much they're worth, depending on how much work you put in. Very low work for one question, so it's going to be a little bit lower value. We'll go ahead and click Save. I can go down back to Health Packet number 5. This will show you the bids that are in for this packet. They will automatically sell because that's how I configured the packet. I'm going to go ahead and go to my wallet because I know one already sold. I'm going to receive that $2.
Hold up, wait a minute.
And that's how easy it is to make money here on Tartle. Thank you.